This video is sponsored by DESLOC. If you're still hiding a spare key under your doormat, two things. One, don't. And two, meet the DESLOC D110 Plus, a smart lock with multiple unlock methods for less than $100. What's up, internet? I'm Brian MacDuff, aka BMac, and welcome to another video. So today we are going to be taking a look at this smart lock right here. This is the DESLOC D110 Plus. And like I said in the intro, this is a smart lock that includes a range of different ways to unlock your door. It includes access control features and integrated connectivity options, all of which we're going to be talking about in this video. But first things first, we do need to give a huge thank you and a shout out to DESLOC for actually sponsoring this video. So DESLOC, thank you. Appreciate you. But with that having been said, there is a lot to cover with this D110 Plus, so let's start things out with the design of this smart lock and how things are looking on the outside and on the inside. Starting things out, DESLOC has over 16 years of experience in smart lock solutions, serving nearly 10 million families and more than 2,000 real estate projects worldwide. And the company is backed by 200 plus R&D experts, holds 300 plus patents, and operates global testing facilities. And the D110 Plus we're about to talk about has earned honors including the Muse Design Silver, Good Design Platinum, and the 2025 Twice VIP Awards. So with that in mind, the DESLOC D110 Plus is a Wi-Fi enabled smart lock that's designed for quick installation and built to strengthen home security with added durability. The D110 Plus is composed of a two-piece metal smart lock system that can be used on any door with a thickness anywhere from 1 3/8 inches to 2 inches, which is 35 millimeters to 50 millimeters. And on one side, that's where you're gonna see the smart lock interface, while on the other side, that's gonna be your manual lock control, along with your easy and quick access to the battery compartment. But beyond the obvious, the D110 Plus also comes with a BHMA Grade 3 certification. More specifically, what that means is that this smart lock has passed a 100,000 cycle test, 240 hours of a salt spray test, and a 3,000 Newton impact test. This also gives you an IP54 dust and water resistance rating, plus an ambient temperature operating range from -22 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the equivalent of -30 degrees to 70 degrees Celsius. On the front of the lock, that's where you're gonna be getting a visual display for setup prompts, system status alerts, and user name management. In terms of colors, the smart lock is available in two different colors, those being a matte black or a matte silver color, both of which align well with common modern hardware color schemes. But now let's talk about installation and the process that DESLOC has designed here to be straightforward, while typically taking 15 minutes or less. All that's required to install the D110 Plus is a single tool, and once you've removed your old deadbolt, the D110 Plus slides right into place. Installation really only involves placing both lock components on either side of the door, aligning them, and securing them with the included hardware and labeled instructions. The D110 Plus has an auto door opening direction sensor so that you don't even have to worry about which side of the door you're installing the smart lock on. But once you've installed the lock and placed the 4 AA batteries into their slots, the rest of the setup process can be easily done right from the DESLOC app itself. And once your smart lock is set up, its performance features become instantly available. So let's talk about what those are. For one thing, there are actually 6 different ways to use the D110 Plus to actually unlock your door. With those 6 unlock methods consisting of fingerprints, passcodes, the DESLOC app, physical keys, IC cards, and voice control. Storing up to 50 fingerprints and 100 passcodes, the D110 Plus supports more users than many similarly priced smart locks on the market, with fingerprint accuracy rated at 99%. On the opposite end of unlocking, there is also an auto locking feature that will allow you to set your smart lock to auto lock itself after your set duration. All these locking and unlocking options together are designed to provide alternative entry methods and also reduce dependency on physical keys like you have to do with the traditional locking systems. And you also can lock or unlock the D110 Plus through your Amazon Alexa or Google Home smart speaker, so that the next time you have to let someone in, you could do so using nothing more than just the sound of your voice. But next up, let's talk about battery life and how long the D110 Plus is rated to operate for under normal use. As mentioned earlier, the D110 Plus does require 4 AA batteries to operate, but DESLOC promises at least 6 months of battery life on those 4 AA batteries as part of DESLOC's robust range system. Low battery alerts and replacement reminders will trigger automatically when there are about 50 uses of the smart lock remaining. And in the event that the battery is fully depleted before those AAs could be replaced, It is helpful to know that there is also the ability to emergency power the D110 Plus through a USB-C port on the bottom of the lock itself. You can plug any USB-C power bank right into the emergency port on the D110 Plus to temporarily power the lock and unlock it just as you normally would. But in summary, here are the most important things to remember and the key features included with the DESLOC D110 Plus. The DESLOC D110 Plus is designed to be a user-friendly smart lock with Wi-Fi connectivity and strong security. It has passed multiple durability tests, achieving that BHMA Grade 3 certification. It's designed to be installed in 15 minutes or less using a single tool. And it provides 6 different ways to securely unlock your door and grant access. And with features like remote guest access, automatic locking, and lock status checks, all configurable through the DESLOC companion app, the DESLOC D110 Plus gives you flexible control over your door security for less than $100. Once again, a huge thank you and a shout out to DESLOC for sponsoring this video, and of course for the latest deals, prices, promos, and information for the DESLOC D110 Plus smart lock. You can of course always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/D110 Plus, or of course, as always, there will be clickable links in the video description box and in the comment section below, so check those out. But with that having been said, with all this talk about the smart lock, I should probably go put it back on the door. My back door is basically wide open right now without it. I will see you guys in my next video.